Hey DIY enthusiasts, are you ready to dive into the whimsical world of car repair? Welcome to my easy car repair tutorial. Today, we're going to transform the mundane task of car maintenance into a fun and entertaining adventure. Today, I'll show you how to perform basic car maintenance. From checking the oil to replacing windshield wipers, we've got it all covered. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Imagine yourself zooming through the steps with ease and knowledge. First things first, safety. It's crucial to prioritize safety before diving into any car repair task. Always wear protective gear and make sure your car is off before starting any repairs. Now let's dive in. Safety first, fun second. Step 1. Popping the hood. This is where the magic begins. Imagine your hands reaching out and pulling that lever. It's like opening a treasure chest of car components. Ah, the sweet sound of a car hood popping open. It's music to any DIY enthusiast's ears. Next, we need to check the oil. This is a crucial step to ensure your engine runs smoothly. Picture a pro version of yourself pulling out the dipstick. It's like a mini mechanic in action. Wipe it clean, stick it back in, and pull it out again. This ensures you get an accurate reading of your oil level. If your oil is low, it's time to add more. Keeping your oil at the right level is essential for engine health. Pour it in slowly. You don't want an oil spill. Take your time and be precise. Step 2. Checking the air filter. A clean air filter is vital for your car's performance. Open up that air filter box and pull out the old dirty filter. It's amazing how much dirt these filters can catch. Replace it with a shiny new filter. Your engine will breathe easier and run more efficiently. Your engine will thank you. A happy engine means a happy car. Now let's move to the tires. Proper tire maintenance is key to a smooth and safe ride. Grab your tire pressure gauge and check each tire. Ensuring the right pressure can prevent blowouts and improve fuel efficiency. If one is low, pump it up with some air. It's like giving your car a breath of fresh air. Don't forget to do a little happy dance when you're done. Celebrate your small victories. Step 3. Replacing the windshield wipers. Clear visibility is crucial for safe driving. Gently lift the old wipers off and clip the new ones in place. It's a simple task that makes a big difference. Give them a test swipe to make sure they're working properly. You don't want to be caught in the rain with faulty wipers. Who knew windshield wipers could bring so much joy? It's the little things that count. Finally, let's top off the fluids. This step ensures all your car's systems are running smoothly. Coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid all are essential to keep your car running smoothly. Each fluid plays a vital role in your car's performance. Add a little magic to each reservoir. It's like giving your car a magical boost. And there you have it, basic car maintenance tutorial. Remember, keeping your car in good shape doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and humor, maintenance can be a blast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own DIY tips. See you next time.